Hello everyone. Let me wish a very happy birthday to the children who are celebrating their birthday today. We will discuss class 6 numericals, that means which is related to IIT Foundation. Yeah, you can see the questions in the left part of the window. The first question here is 1 centimeter is equal to dash kilometer. So 1 centimeter we have to convert it to kilometers. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So in meters. And again, 1 meter can be written as 100 centimeters. So this we know. Now let me convert kilometer into centimeter first. So therefore, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 times 100 centimeter. So which you can write as 10 to the power 5 centimeter, right? So therefore 1 kilometer is 10 to the power 5 centimeter. So 10 to the power minus 5 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. So in this way you can write, right? So the question is 1 centimeter is equal to how many kilometer? So therefore your answer will be 10 to the power minus 5. Those who got the same answer, text me in the comment box now. Okay, let's see the second question. Second question is 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom, you can write the symbol as this, is equal to dash meters or millimeters, centimeters. So first let us know what is the value of angstrom in meter. So 1 angstrom value is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meters. Clear? So let's convert the same into centimeters and see. So 10 to the power minus 10 times 1 meter is 100 centimeter. You can write as 10 power 2. So this value is 10 power minus 2, sorry, minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8 centimeter. This is in centimeter. And let's see in millimeter also. So 10 power minus 8 times 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter, so that the value will be 10 power minus 7 millimeter. So 1 angstrom is 10 power minus 10 in meters, 10 power minus 8 in centimeter, and 10 power minus 7 in millimeter. So which option is correct here? So the option A will be correct answer. Leave a comment whether you got the same answer or not. So the third question is 1 astronomical unit, 1 AU, nothing but 1 astronomical unit. So we learned astronomical unit is the distance, a mean distance between the sun and the earth. So the mean distance between the sun and the earth is termed as 1 astronomical unit, the distance. Okay, right. So 1 astronomical unit value is 1.49 times 10 to the power 11 meters. This is the value of 1 astronomical unit. So let's convert this into centimeters also. So which is equal to 1.49 into 10 to the power 11 times 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So which is equal to 1.49 times 10 to the power 13 centimeters in centimeter. Similarly, you can convert it to millimeters also. So the correct answer will be option A, right? Let's move to the question number 4. See here, two ants are moving on a ruler as shown in the given figure. Initially, the ants are at position 1. So this is your position 1. After some time, the ants are at position 2. This is position 2. Okay, now what is the question? The relative change in the position of the ants is dash. So let us see first what is the distance between the two ants in the position 1. In the position 1, what is the distance between the two ants? Easily you can say that it is 1 centimeter, right? So the first ant is at 1 centimeter and the second ant is at 2 centimeters, so that the distance between them is 1 centimeter. And coming to position 2, coming to position 2. So what is the distance between the two ants? So see this, 1, 2, 3. So 3 centimeter. So what is the relative change in the position of the ants? First it has 1 centimeter, later it has 3 centimeter. So what is the change? The change will be simply 2 centimeter. So your answer will be option B. Let me know if you have the correct answer with you. Let me know in the comment box. Let us discuss question number 5. Okay. So in decreasing magnitude, which of the following is correct? So decreasing magnitude means big to small or larger number to smaller number. So I am writing big to small, right? So first we have to know which is bigger one, and later which is smaller one, in that way. See here what are given. Given that kilometer is given, and centimeter, meter, millimeter. Okay, we know that kilometer is the greatest one in this, so I'm giving number 1 for that. Next, meter is the second one, second highest, and after meter, centimeter, and finally millimeter. Simple, right? So now arrange the order. So first one, bigger one we need to arrange, which is a kilometer, and second one is meter, and the third one centimeter, finally millimeter. So let us check where this order has been given. Yes, in option B. Let me know in the comment section whether you got the correct answer or not. Now let us see the question number 6. Meter scales have dash ends to avoid error due to dash. So the meter scales have tapered ends. Remember this. Which ends, Nana? Tapered. I think you know the meaning of tapered. And it is to avoid due to the its thickness of the scale. So your option will be B. If you thought the answer is B, then let me know your name in the comments. Let's see question number 7. The number of rounds a wire around a pencil are 24 and the length of the coil is 4.8 centimeter. Then what is the diameter of the wire? So see, let's take, this is your pencil, assume that. All right. So now you have a wire and you made into number of turns around this in this way. So on, like 24. So here number of turns are 24. And this whole thing we are calling as a coil. This is called as a coil. So the length of this coil is given as, so length of that coil, let me say as a L, which is 4.8 centimeter. Now we want to calculate what is the diameter of the wire. So diameter is equal to length of the wire divided by number of turns. Simple. Okay, so which is equal to 4.8 centimeter divided by 24, which is 0.2 centimeters, right? So the answer is D. So did you get the same answer? Let me know in the comment section. So let us discuss question number 8 now. Yes. So the distance between Radha's home and her school is given as 3250 meters. Fine. Express this distance into kilometer. So here the distance is given in meters. We need to convert this into kilometer. So that means the question is 3250 meters is equal to dash kilometer. This is the question. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Therefore, 1 divided by 1000 kilometer is 1 meter. So now 3250 divided by 1000 kilometers, right? So which is 3.250 kilometers. So the answer is 3.25 kilometers. The option B is correct. So let me know in the comment section how many of you got the correct answer. Question number 9. The height of a person, let us take h, which is equal to 1.65 meters. So express this value in millimeters. So 1.65 meters is equal to dash millimeters. So we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter, which can be written as 100 into 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So 1 meter is 1000 millimeters. Therefore, 1.65 meters equal to 1.65 times 1000 millimeters. So which is equal to 1650 millimeters, right? So which option is correct, Nana? Option C. So again, what you have to do in the comment section, write your name if you get the correct answer. Let's see question number 10. The size of a bacteria is generally measured in microns. So micron means 1 micrometer. Okay, how many microns make up 1 kilometer? So the question is 1 kilometer is equal to dash micrometers, right? So what shall we do? Let us take 1 kilometer is equal to x micrometers. Now what I am doing, 1 kilometer divided by micrometer is equal to x. Can I write? Just cross multiplication. Right. So 1 kilo means how much? 1000. We know that 10 power 3 meters divided by micro is 10 to the power minus 6 meter is equal to x. So now you can cancel this meter and meter. So therefore, what do you get? So 1 into 10 power 3 is 10 power 3 into, if this 10 power minus 6 comes up into the numerator, it becomes 10 power plus 6. So which is the value of x. So therefore we can write 10 power 3 plus 6, which is 9, is x. So the answer is 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the power 9 microns or micrometers. So the correct answer is C. Yes. Okay, now let us see question number 11. Right. Convert 100 quintal. So 100 quintal into nanograms. So let me write the same question in this way. So 100 quintal is equal to dash nanograms. Okay, let me take this is again 100 quintal is equal to x nanogram. So let me write 100 quintal, okay, divided by nanogram is equal to x from the cross multiplication. So let's convert first this quintas into kilograms. So 100 into 1 quintal is 100 kilograms. Okay, so 100 kilograms is nothing but 1 quintal. 1000 kilograms is nothing but 1 ton. We know that. Then divided by nanogram. Nano means, right, substitute the value of nano, which is 10 to the power of minus 9 grams. So which is the value of x. So can I write this 100 and 100 as 10 power 4? This is 10 power 2 and this is 10 power 2. So we can write 10 power 4. into again kilo. Kilo means 10 power 3 grams by 10 to the power of 9 gram, which is x. So now we know we can cancel these two. Okay, so now that one is 10 power 7 divided by 10 to the power minus 9, which is equal to 10 power 7 into what can I write? 10 power plus 9. Very good. So which is equal to 10 to the power 16. 9 plus 7 is the value of x. So which option is correct, Nana? Very good. Option B. If you get the correct answer, type your name in the comment section. Now let us see question number 12. Okay. If M1, M2, M3 and M4 are masses of 4 bodies. Okay, very good. So here it is given that M1 as 0.3 kg, M2 as 0.3 milligrams, Nana, and M3 is 0.3 times 10 to the power minus 6 gram, and finally M4 is 3000 gram. Okay, fine. So the above in increasing order of masses are as follows. So we have to arrange them in increasing order. Increasing order means small to big, right? Small to big. So let's find which is smaller one in this. So but see, this is in kilogram, this is in milligram, this is in gram, this is yeah, this is also in gram. So let's convert all the things into same system. Okay, so let us convert all the things into grams. So first let us see this. This is 0.3 into kilo means 1000 grams. Okay, which is equal to 300 grams. Correct? Yeah. Now second one, 0.3 milligrams. So milli means 10 power minus 3. So which you can write as let me use another color. So as 0.3 times 10 to the power minus 3 grams. No, no. And this is minus 6 gram. This is 3000 gram. First, let us see the smaller one. So here M3 is 0.3 into 10 power minus 6 and M2 is 0.3 into 10 power minus 3. So which is a smaller one? 0.3 into 10 power minus 6 is smaller one. So first M3. Next step, obviously M2 and M1 and M4. See that M1 is 300, M4 is 3000. So M1 and finally M4. This is from small to big. So which is your correct answer? Therefore you can write M4 is greater than M1 is greater than M2 is greater than M3. So your option will be C. So let me know your name who got correct answer. Z is the number of centuries in a millennium. So find X ratio Y ratio Z. This is the question. So very simple. So X is number of years in a decade and Y is a number of decades in a century. Okay. And Z is a number of centuries in a millennium. Right. First we have to know what is decade, what is a century and what is a millennium. So decade means how many years? 10 years. And century is, you know, that 100 years. Millennium is 1000 years. Okay. So what is the value of X here? X equal to 10 because it is the number of years in a decade. So one decade is 10 years. So one decade is X years, like that. So then what is the value of 1? 1 is Y is the decades in a century. So see here, 100 years you can write as 10 decades, right? Okay. So then Y value will be 10. And finally, what is the value of Z? So Z is the centuries in a millennium. So how many centuries are there means how many hundreds are there in this 1000? That also 10. So Z also 10. Then what is the ratio? Its ratio is 1 ratio 1 ratio 1, you can write. Clear? So the answer will be A. So let me know your name who got correct answer in the comment box. Let's see the question number 14. So which is 1 micrometer divided by milligram is equal to megameter divided by nanogram. So remember how to read these all things. Okay, so 1 micrometer by milligram is equal to x megameter by nanogram. So I can write this as micrometer by milligram divided by megameter divided by nanogram is x. So further you can write this as x is equal to micrometer divided by milligram into, so reciprocal the denominator, so which is a nanogram by megameter. Clear? So just have written reciprocal of this. Okay, now see what are the terms you can cancel here. So meter meter, gram gram gets cancelled. Now write the numbers of the remaining things. X is equal to micro is 10 to the power minus 6 times nano is 10 to the power minus 9 divided by small m is milli, which is 10 power minus 3, into capital M is mega 10 power 6. So which you can write as 10 power minus 15 minus 9 minus 6, that is, and this is 10 power 6 minus 3 is 3, which is finally 10 power minus 15 times, if this comes up, becomes minus 3, which is 10 to the power minus 18. So the answer is C. So if you got the same answer, type in the comment section. Let's see the question number 15. 1 centimeter cube is dash. Nothing is given here. Okay, no units are given. See the options. Options are in meter cube all. Okay, so let's convert 1 centimeter cube into meter cube. So we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter, or you can write as 10 power 2 centimeter, right? So 1 meter cube, okay, equal to 10 power 2 centimeter whole cube. Can I write? So cubing on both the sides, like, so this will be 1 cube is 1 meter cube is meter cube is 10 power 2, how many times? 3 times. So 10 power 2 into 10 power 2 into 10 power 2 I can write, and centimeter cube, okay, which is 10 power I can write as 6 centimeter cube. So 1 meter cube is 10 power 6 centimeter cube. Then reverse, inverse of this is 1 centimeter cube is 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. Clear? So the correct answer is option B. So let me know who have done this correct. Okay, this is the end of today's session. We will discuss remaining worksheets in the further coming classes. Thank you. Bye.